Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. All right, we're going to be doing a little maintenance on the Stihl FS91 brush cutter string trimmer combination. Something I learned this week about taking care of the gear head on the end of the trimmer. And that's it right there. Here's the gear head. And we need to lubricate this thing a couple times a year. Unless you're really hard on them, then you need to do it more than that. But I want to show you today what I learned how to do it in the right way from what I've been told. So let's pull down here and I'll show you what we got. All right, so what we're going to need, we need a container of Stihl. This is Stihl multilube, but there's a Superlube that you can use. We got this. We got the tool that came with the unit. It's got the Torx head on the end. I don't know what size Torx that is. I'll put that in the description. And then we just need a rag or a towel. So right here, we got the bolt that goes in here that covers it. We want to clean that off a little bit so we don't get any trash in there. You can take a wire brush or whatever. We're going to take our tool. I'm going to zizz that thing out. Okay, now that we have the bolt out of it, we're going to take the grease and we're going to just screw it in here. It's got the same threads. Just takes about a turn and a half. What we're going to do, we're going to squeeze it, and as we squeeze it, we're going to turn it. Just for a minute. Turn it back and forth so we know we got lubrication around all the little gears and components in there. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And we're going to unscrew it. Take our rag and wipe that off so it don't make a mess. Let me show you what we got in there now. Hopefully y'all can see that. But there's grease all the way to the inside there, or the end of it. So that ought to make us good for a while. Want to make sure there's no shavings or anything on that. It looks clean. This machine is a workhorse. I mean, I have used the heck out of it this year. Tighten it back up. Make sure there's not any grease on the outside there to make a mess with. And we are done. And that's all there is to it, to lubing up the gearhead. And what I looked on my Ryobi, it's got same little nut on there. You can probably just squeeze in there. It maybe have the same threads. I don't know. That's one thing I'll check this week because we use both string trimmers. So, but anyway, hope y'all get something out of this. You got any questions about the Stihl FS91? I have come quite familiar with it. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. And if you're ever on Rumble, do the same thing. But as soon as it cools off this evening, we'll get out here and run this thing for a while. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.